Hey Bales! Welcome back to Rayman! Today we are trying out the first of the Dark Rayman levels. And I thought, who should I be if not the one and only ordinary Rayman? So, okay, that was a bad start. So that's based on the original Rayman levels, I guess. Whoa. Oh. What do we do there? Hey, that tree is moving in the back of that thing. Okay, so we need to beat those two. But they are based on the... it seems... on the end of the original Rayman game, where where he is following in your every footstep. Where he is following in your every footstep and all the way, and whoa. Damn it. Ah! Okay, we try again. So as long as we do not touch him, we are okay. So we should be good. So that was in the end of the original Rayman. I've said that a couple of times by now. Whoa! That was close. Ah! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, okay. We didn't get all of them. We were too slow. But that's the levels, apparently. I like that they bring that back. In the original Rayman, when you were defeating Mr. Dark, then you had to outrun this Dark Rayman. So, glad they brought that back in. Let's try another one from the next one. Or retry this one. But I got this idea, and this has nothing to do with this game. But I got this idea where on Tumblr, sorry, on Tumblr, where I would make sort of a, whoa, that was fast. A Dungeons and Dragons kind of game. Damn it! Okay. But where instead of me writing the whole thing, I'm gonna write one line of actions you can do, and then I will let other people write their own part and link to that part in my own. Damn it! Thought I jumped the wrong time. Die. So like I write a storyline where we start in this room and blah blah blah, and oh, it's nice to see the Dark Rayman again. I hope we get his costume in the if we beat all of the Dark Rayman things. But it's you need to remember where you have been and where you're going. So that's pretty nice. Oh, ah, damn it! I thought I would hit it there. Woohoo! These things. Stop it! Don't laugh. But where I write, then you can do this, and that option A, option A, option A, in the whole of my part of the story. Damn it. And then Good thing about these levels is we can walk as slow as we want. He will just do the same. We can do like this, and then he will stay too. Good. So if you get my idea, then I write all the option A's, and then others can join in and on their own blocks, and say I write option B on this one, and then start their storyline there. And up to that point, it needs to be canon, but after that, it doesn't need any more. If you get it, I will post it here when we are done, I guess. Come on, go. Ah, we got one more at least. I'll go to another level now, so you can see that. Actually, I think I'll stop now. But this is the Dark Rayman levels, apparently. And I'll try to beat some more, and then I will join you again in another video with the last one. Sometime far in the future, I guess. And then yeah, I will also some other video sometime later. I'll probably tell a little more about my project there I was talking about, and hope you enjoyed this video. We did it, but not completely. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.